How to turn off Facebook sound when scrolling. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are figuring out on how to solve that annoying chirping sound while scrolling on Facebook, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through two solutions to get rid of this nuisance. Stick around till the end to find the fix that works for you. Let's head to our first solution. Open up Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Right here, tap on settings icon. Scroll down a bit. Under Preferences, tap on Media. Scroll down to the end. Under Video and Photo Settings, you will find the option for sounds in the app. Toggle it off. For iOS devices, the option for sounds in the app will be at the very top when you enter Media, so make sure to toggle it off. In this way, your issue must be solved. If the first solution did not work, then second solution might help you. There could be a bug from Facebook side. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Long press on the Facebook app icon, tap on App Info, and at the very bottom tap on Uninstall. Confirm the action by tapping on OK. Once your app is uninstalled successfully, open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Right here in the search bar, search for Facebook and enter it. Tap on Install to begin the downloading process. This will take some time, please wait for a moment. Once installed, open the app, log back into your Facebook account and your issue must be resolved. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two solutions to solve the issue of annoying chirping sound while scrolling on Facebook. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.